If it's not gonna bring something on my table, it's not gonna put some dollars in my bag. We got the new coffee maker. The collagen, I love some collagen. What? I should cancel.
Bottom tier.
Yeah.
Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream.
We recently got a rice cooker because the other one, I want to show you what happened. Where is it? So I was making some rice one day, and this decided that there was a clip here, right? There was a little clip here, and it decided to come out. So this, I would have to toss it. So we got a better one. This was in instant rice and grain cooker. It served me for 2 years. It was good, but now I have to let it go, and we got a better one for, babe, how much was it? It was like $179, right?
Yes.
So it was like $179, and we got this from the Next. So the Next, for the military, it's tax-free, so we didn't pay tax for this. But when you go to Amazon, which I'm gonna post you a link for that, they probably charge you taxes. We checked, and they actually do charge tax. So I'll just go there right now and I'll show you guys.
How much? 186.
It was actually $199.95. It was actually $199.95 without tax, so that was actually very expensive. But when you go there, there's also some coupon. Make sure you tap on the coupon, and then they have like a 23.96 discount for that. And the total with taxes, it was gonna be $186.55, and we were already there at the Next. We don't need to pay for shipping or anything. We don't need to pay for taxes. So we decided to get this at $179, and I want to unbox it, Bill. It's quite huge. Babe, do you think I should tear this box? Might have. You gotta be very careful. So that's how it looks inside. I hope you guys can see it very well, but let me open it. Okay, I need help.
Yeah, we didn't.
I know you love gray, because I was hoping to get beige, but
That one wasn't. It was very simple. It was probably like bottom tier.
yeah, it was not the best quality.
No, not quality. It was just like their lowest. Their cheapest model as well.
Right.
Yeah. It didn't even have a display.
So, wow, this is so pretty. Honestly, it's very pretty, and it kind of goes with everything that we have going on. And it's a way higher. What's the word? Because the other one was just the basic.
Volume.
Yeah, it was
Higher quality.
volume and the quality of it, and it's a higher standard.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
higher tier of.
Yeah.
I don't
So
know if I'd call it top tier, but it's definitely like
yeah, because
tier or above.
was it the highest priced?
No, it wasn't the most expensive rice cooker.
Because I think that's the highest I saw. But so with this rice cooker, there's you can make some white sushi. But we are wondering how to make that. Keep warm. The other one had also like keep warm. It has the menu. I think that's why we should actually. Should I connect it?
No, not yet. At the end.
No, like I wanna like see from the screen what it's saying.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the screen, right? And then it has some white sushi. We don't know how to make that white sushi, but we'll try one of these days to make that. I will come up with I'll just check online to see if there's a recipe for that. There's quick mix, maybe some vegetables, that's what I'm thinking. Long grain white rice, if you want to make some white rice. If you want to steel cut oatmeal, if you want to make some oatmeal from here, that'd be really cool. I've never made some oatmeal from here, but I think it's going to turn out really cool. There's also some brown rice, and you can also steam. You can also steam, you know, anything that you want to steam. You can keep warm on a regular or extended. I think it also depends on how long you want to keep that warm. It has a timer, and then it has this volume over here, whether you want to have the volume turned on or off. So actually, you know what? I should cancel. Good. And then I think this is to, you know, like, you know, if you want to keep this for or cook for 20 minutes, you can tap there or here, and I think it's pretty cool. So, and then what this is, oh, so when you open this, yes,
steamer.
Yeah, and then you also have this steamer basket and these cups. I don't know what this is for, but we'll figure out what that is. And wow, this is so big compared to the other one. Let me show you the other one.
You even got the measuring marks there. You see?
Yeah, I think they're way legible. Oh, okay. Let me see the other one. So the other one, you couldn't see, but do you see the difference? This was like a 3 cups. Oh, okay, there you go. This was like a 3 cup, and this is a 10 cups. So that's quite what it got going on. Yes. Wow, I love it. What do you think? You like it now that we've opened it?
It'll be probably the best recipe.
Oh, we're gonna keep this for a long time. There's no way we're getting rid of this anytime soon. So that's pretty much it. The rice cooker is from Zojirushi.
Yeah, Zojirushi. Yeah,
it's a Japanese brand, and I think Japanese have good stuff, don't they?
They want their rice made right every time.
Yeah, the link to this, you can also find it on Amazon, because I know some of you people cannot get to the next or the
description
in the video. Yeah, you find it in the video description.
Click that link.
Yeah. Yeah, I just do hear what my husband said. Don't forget to click on that link.
Look, quinoa, brown.
Babe, why you saying quinoa? I thought people say quinoa.
I thought it was quinoa.
Some people say quinoa. I don't know. And you know that's a bad word in my language. I told you that. Yeah, quinoa.
All the more reason to say quinoa.
Yeah, all the more reason to say, especially if you're in Kenya, because someone would think that you know.
What does it mean?
It means
Type of bowl. In here.
yeah, I think so. Do you want to change everything?
Well, I mean, now I got one.
So I'm actually getting ready because we're going on a coffee date this morning. It's not even morning. What time is it? It's 12. It's 11:59, 12. I know it's too late for coffee, but our coffee maker blew out. So we kind of, after that, want to go ahead and see if we'll get another coffee. Maybe a coffee maker or an espresso. I'm for an espresso right now, but it's whatever we'll find. Cheaper or of a good quality. And then that'd be it. We're probably gonna go to Marshall's and see what they have. If not, we'll go to I think the next. We might also try there. And some other place called Dilzaras. Yeah, so that'll be it. And then I'll put some skincare and then we'll be gone. He's ready to go. It's just me who's getting ready. As you already know, I like to put sunscreen on, so this is the sunscreen I'm gonna be wearing. Then to finish with, I'm gonna finish with this perfume. This is a hairspray that I use. It's called Rose Water Original. Some brand sent this to me like a couple months ago. So that's what I used. Because this has been my go-to bag from Anne Klein. I bought this at Marshalls. You've already seen it in most of my videos. And I like it. This nail came out and I probably should go get a new set of nails because this looks so ugly. I need to find time for that. But I like them so much. They've served me quite a bit. The shoes are outside. This is my birthday gift from my husband. I'll open this when I get home. So I am so excited. I just found this on my seat. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Yeah, it's funny. Finish opening. Wow. Ooh. Damn. This is so cute. Ooh. You knew it. Dang. It comes with an extra one. Cute. Oh, and some socks.
That's meant to be funny because I know you don't like pink that much. So I was like, you know what? I'll get her pink socks.
I mean, it's Christmas. They're actually
and I think
Christmas
it would go decent with the slippers.
Ooh, some perfume.
Yeah.
Damn. Some Jimmy Choo. Mm-hmm. Interesting. Wow. So okay, why do I have them here? It was actually bigger than this, but I think it's the bottom is so big. Chitty choo choo.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed.
I just got a new set. This is a burgundy, color, and I like it. It's giving fall season, and it's also giving Christmas season, and yeah, I like how they turned out. Let me put this here. They are so pretty. I was tired of the other ones, though they served me quite a bit. I'm in love. I'm obsessed.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing.
Having today, that's pork ribs. We love pork ribs over here. I haven't taken the vitamins for the day. These are the vitamins that I usually take. We have this petite women's petite. I take 2 a day because you're allowed up to 2 a day. So instead of just taking 1, I usually take 2. Those 2. And then there's iodine, because iodine is so much important that people think. So I'll take 2 of them. Actually 3 is fine, because we did a research and we found out that an average Japanese woman or even men take like so much iodine per day, and it doesn't affect anything. So, and the other thing is collagen. I love some collagen multivitamin, so I'll take just 1 of them. It's fine, because that's the recommended for an adult for dietary supplement. And I like to take them with water in the morning, or just like with breakfast. But I also kind of want to like add more multivitamins, because I'm doing a research and there's some vitamins that we usually don't get from other stuff that we actually need so much in our bodies. And I will order some from Amazon very soon. Also, congratulations to me. This is my 2nd week without sugar, carbs, too much carbs, and it's my 2nd week of keto diet. Oh, that's so cold. I love it. Damn. I got all this from Amazon, so if you want to get them, I'll link them in the description below. All of them. Actually, I don't know where my husband bought this, but we can also find this on Amazon. I'll look for it and leave a link for you guys. Don't ask me about the picture, okay? Don't ask me about the picture, because I don't know where. It's been like 2 days, not 2 days, it's been like over a week now, because since I had coffee here at home, because like I told you guys, our coffee maker decided to blow out for us, and it's been hectic. I hope my husband mentioned, right now he's shopping, but he mentioned that he was gonna get some coffee maker, but I told him I'd rather be there when he's doing that. But we'll see if he comes with that. If he doesn't, we'll go look for a coffee maker, but I'm opting for an espresso. I really want an espresso so much. That's crazy. But yeah, we'll see what he brings back from the shopping. Okay guys, so let me make something for us to snack on before we head out. If you didn't see my nails yet, these are my new set of nails. This is a burgundy color. I got them today. I love them so much. They are so pretty for this season, fall and Christmas season. If you want a color that's gonna complement or, you know, look good on you this season, just go for burgundy. You can go for red, you can go for green, you can go for what other color, like, you know, just fall colors. Just fall colors. I'm just here looking for the prices of Nespresso. I want to show you guys how expensive these things can be. So for example, this one is actually on deal, but I don't know how much of a deal this is, but it goes for $99. But if you're not getting it on a deal, you get it for $129.95. There's one for $179, but now they're selling it at like $125. They are so expensive. I think I saw some of them that were like even $200, $500. Like, it's crazy. So actually, we got the new coffee maker. This is not the best coffee maker you can get because it wasn't even expensive. This was like, I think it was like $49.99, so like $50. So it's not too expensive. So I'm not expecting too much from it. But the reason we got the cheaper one is because this kitchen doesn't have a bigger space, and the better ones were actually big. So we're planning when we move out, maybe buy the bigger ones, the better ones, you know. So this is just temporary. So I'm gonna open this. This is the Black Plus DECOR top cup programmable coffee maker. Like, you can program it, like if you want to brew your coffee at a certain time, you can do that. The bad side about it, this doesn't come with a filter, so you might have to buy a filter on the side, which we were looking for reusable filters over there because the other coffee maker actually had a filter, but I gave it out. What I did was I left it out there where we park our cars, and I think somebody that needed it, you know, took that. So what we did, we bought some extra filters, the non-reusables, because they didn't have the reusable ones. And probably I will order some from Amazon, because I think there is some from Amazon that are like $7 to $12 that we can reuse. I wish I knew that I would have needed it in my other coffee maker, because I wouldn't have let it go. And I think I had some second thought about that. Then I don't know what happened. So comes with this. It is so big. It's bigger than the other one. This coffee maker is quite big than the other one, even though this is a little, I think, which one was cheaper? I don't remember how much we bought the other one. But in Amazon, this might be even more cheaper. This is at $30 in Amazon. So if you want to save some money, please go to Amazon. So what it has is only this, the holder, the filter holder. That's all that it's got. Oops, I gotta be careful so I don't break. Oh, there you go. So there you go. I think this is for the cup. The cups that we put, and then that way, and then I'll just put some water. Say I want like 6 cups, I'll just put up to 6 cups over there. I'm supposed to brew coffee right now because I'm about to head out. I have a long day ahead of me and I want to be ready for the day. Because you know what coffee does? Coffee makes you ready for the day. Coffee makes you feel energized sometimes, and sometimes it can actually break you. That's the funny part about coffee that I've realized with my body, you know. Just saying with my body, because I don't know how you guys work with coffee, how it works on your bodies. This is risky. I know you can tell from my voice that I just woke up. I'm sorry if I sound too grumpy. So let me put some water here and then I'll pour it inside here and then we'll make some coffee. I didn't show you the coffee filters. These are the reusable ones. This is just paper, literally. All this is paper, and I don't like it. I don't like using these papers for real. So let me add water here. So I'll just do 4 cups will be enough. Probably too much, but you know, let's do 6 instead. So that's 6 cups. Where is it showing? It's right here. It's about 6 cups. So I'll pour the water here up to, it's probably gonna be up to this point because 6 cups equals to 6 cups. Look, that was my alarm. It was supposed to go off at 8:50 and it's 8:50. So I'll add this here. I remember the last coffee, what happened was it's not even 6, it's about, I don't know, maybe 4¼ cups. So the other coffee, what happened was, backstory, like I started brewing the coffee, right? And then I didn't have water inside here. So I think something happened that it kind of messed up with the program going on over there. But then I was like, it's what it is, because it wasn't even that expensive either. I don't think it was expensive as far as I remember, but that one is gone. So am I supposed, because I've never used this before, am I supposed to use like a single, damn, it's a lot of them then if I have to use like a single. So put this here, let me show you. So that one, you put that over there, and then I'll add some coffee. I'll add not too much of coffee in there. This should be enough. Just that. Should it be enough? Oh, maybe just a little bit. I don't even measure. I'm so poor when it comes to measuring. So, don't blame me. And then I'll close that. So I'll disconnect this here. That's disconnected. It's showing, like you see, it's showing the, I think this is the time. What time is it? It's 8. So when it has this dot over here, the blue, that over there, it means it's PM. So it's 8, and then minutes, it's 8:51. Okay, that's good. And then I think this has the clean program. And then I think this is to make it strong if you kind of want to make it super strong, if you want to brew later, or if you want to keep warm. And then right now, because I want to have the coffee right now after so many days of not having the coffee at home, what I'm gonna do is very simple. I'm just gonna press on this button, the start button. This is so obvious. Everybody should know that means start or finish. And then I'll leave it like that. You see? So it's definitely brewing right now. Maybe I should keep these boxes over here just in case I need them later to return it. It has like a 30 days return policy. So if something happens, you can return within 30 days. Let's wait for my coffee to brew, and then I'm gonna get ready to head out. Guys, let me tell you something. Have you ever gotten to a point where you feel so burnt out? Because I have been doing so much, from school to work to working on the stuff that I need to work on. Like, it's getting so much overwhelming. I've gotten to a point where I'm like, you know what, I probably need some time, you know, some time out. Like, whenever I get money, go, for example, to a vacation. Like, I can't wait to have that time of my life where I've got the money. All I need to do is book that flight and go. Just go somewhere, relax, you know, settle my mind down, because it's been so much. And it's not funny at this point. I don't think it's funny at all, because damn, life has been lifing. Things have been super hard on me, because I've got just, my head is so jammed up with a lot of things that I feel like are too overwhelming. And I don't want to drop some, because if I drop some, then I won't be working on my goals, because I have particular goals that I want to do and particular things that I want to do in life, and I have to do them. I'm that one person who is, I don't give up. Like, if you see me giving up, I've gotten to a point where I've tried so many times and it's not gonna bring any fruits. I mean, if it's not gonna bring any fruits, why am I there? First of all, I should be investing that energy and time into something else that's gonna help me in the future. But if it's not helping me, if it's not gonna bring something on my table, it's not gonna put some dollars in my bag, why do I need to keep on putting energy on it? I know school is gonna bring something, you know. At the end of the day, I'm gonna have my degree, I'm gonna feel good, I'm gonna have a best job, probably gonna, you know, do so many things. And after that, I still gotta do some more classes. I don't want to just settle on the degree. Like, I don't want to just be, you know, on the degree. I want to do probably masters, if not PhD at the end of the day. So I know that's gonna bring something good. Even if I become self-employed, like if my businesses or the stuff that I do for myself do well, I'm still gonna be having something in my bag to say that even if they fail, I still have this to do. I still have this that can help me in the future. So yeah, sometimes we are gonna give ourselves grace and rest, because I think rest at the end of the day is very, very important. And if we don't rest, then we're gonna break down. We're gonna break it. And it's not good when you're working so hard and then you're breaking. You're just going down all the damn time. So I was just throwing that out there because that's really how I feel. And I think it's best to be clear and be honest with you guys, be vulnerable and all that kind of stuff. So I think, did I put strong? Because looks like it's brewing a very strong coffee over here. Do you see this? So this is done. It's just finished. Let me get my favorite cup. The favorite cup that I just got from hubby is as my gift for my birthday, because he wasn't here for my birthday. At that time he wasn't here for my birthday because his ship has always been either on deployment or underway every time my birthday is coming close. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour it a little bit here, and then since I'm not supposed to take sugar or dairy or that kind of stuff because I'm on keto diet, I know I'm not supposed to do this. I know you people will start telling me, oh, you're on keto diet but you're still consuming half and half. I know what I'm gonna do. It does have some little bit, it has like actually the highest percentage of the daily value right here is the trans fat. So it's like, it says no, it's the saturated fats, which they are not good at all. They are not good at all. You see this 10% right here? They're not good at all. It has like 40 calories. It's not that bad. And then it has 1 gram of carbohydrates, which I'm supposed to take little or no carbs. And it doesn't have added sugar. That's good. And it doesn't have fiber, so that's not good. And it has a little bit of calcium. So this is called half and half. It's rich and creamy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm only gonna use 1 teaspoon. Just 1 teaspoon. So that you guys don't come for me and be like, oh, you're not supposed to do that. I just want this for color. And I'm not gonna put any sugar. I know it does look super dark because I didn't put enough of it. Hold on, what's happening with that milk? Oh, what? Is it expired? Hold on, let me check. It says December 12th, but something is wrong with that milk. It says December 12th of 2024, but look at what it did. You see what it did? So I've just wasted my coffee, so let me pour this off. So I'm just gonna have black coffee then. Good thing I had a lot of it. That should be enough. I'll let it rest so that it can cool down, because there's no way I'm drinking that black coffee just like that. But yeah, I think it did a really great job. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it off because I don't need it anyways. I don't need more coffee for the day, and it doesn't have to keep warm. So it looks like it automatically, like after brewing, after finishing, it goes all the way to keep warm. So that's good. You don't have to worry about that.
I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel